Hi everyone, I want to make a quick review here of these Bitter Oats Organic Old-Fashioned Oats. If you haven't already, subscribe, click on the subscription button right below this video and press the like button for the YouTube algorithm. I'm going to go ahead and post the link here below of this product, so if you would like to purchase it, you have the link, or you would like to check it out and read more, you're more than welcome. So let's jump right into it. There's a reason why I have purchased organic oats, okay? Now I'm not saying to purchase everything organic, but the reason why I had purchased these organic oats is because oats contain a item called glyphosate or glyphosate, which is a herbicide which has been linked to cancer, okay? So when you're buying organic oats, it helps decrease the exposure to that herbicide. So highly recommend purchasing, if you want to purchase oats or even oat milk, to purchase organic because of that reason. So let's jump right into it. In my grocery store, I went to a variety of different grocery stores. One well-known one, Walmart. I went to actually two different Walmarts, and another grocery store named Publix. I actually went to three different Publix, and none of them had, except one Walmart, had organic oats. So when I did find that one store that had to have organic oats, I went ahead and grabbed it. So I'm going to go ahead and post the link below for this specific product if you'd like to purchase it on Amazon. There are a variety of other products as well out there that do sell organic oats, so I highly recommend checking them out. But these have been great. As you can see here, usually when I do purchase some kind of oats, the oats are, there's a lot of dust. It's kind of not rolled completely, and they're just not viable, and they have this just broken off or chipped off. These have been amazing in terms of how it just comes out of the package. So highly recommend that. And of course, what I really look at, and when I do purchase any product, is ingredients. Now, I want to see if they add sugar. I want to see if they add any type of artificial flavoring or artificial ingredients that help preserve certain items. And there are certain companies that do add that. I'm not going to say the names here, but they're really well known out there. And like I said before, this is a product made by Post. So Post is actually a big company. They own, they actually manufacture a variety of different cereals. So, and the second thing I look at is nutritional facts. So when I go to nutritional facts here, I want to see if there's any added sugar. If there's any sugar added, there's not supposed to be with oats, so that's 0. That's great. Any salt, sodium is 0, so that's awesome. Cholesterol is 0, and protein is 5 grams per 40 grams of this item. So this is amazing in terms of the protein you're getting, in terms of this, the nutrition, the benefit you're getting from this. You're getting about 140 milligrams of potassium, iron, 1.7. So, what I usually do with these oats is I eat it for breakfast. I put some Ceylon, they call it, cinnamon, some fresh blueberries or fresh fruit like banana chopped up, or apples or whatever. A dried fruit also works out. Nuts, add a few nuts to it and mix it up, and that's an amazing breakfast that will basically last you through the morning into lunchtime, where you're ready to take your next meal. And this is amazing in terms of this, not only to make you full, but also is this a healthy product to consume. So anyways, guys, that was just a quick review of this product and why you should buy organic oats instead of regular oats. Press the like button, subscribe for more videos, and the product link is below if you'd like to check or purchase this item out. Thanks.